It's officially Pride Month, so how can you still celebrate Pride if you haven't told anyone you're LGBTQ? This episode is sponsored by mycomingout.org. They provide supportive resources to help closeted individuals of all ages find the answers they need to important questions. From helping you find incognito mode on your browser, to search the internet without anyone seeing your browsing history, to answering frequently asked questions about our community. My Coming Out makes it easy to understand how to test the waters and safely come out of the closet to yourself and others. Check out mycomingout.org to read their incredible coming out guide and support their work. Special thanks to mycomingout.org for sponsoring this episode. Pride Month is a time for wonderful celebrations of who you are and who you love. But for those of us who are still in the closet, it can be a challenging time, and one that I remember from my days in the closet as the hardest 30 days of the year to get through. So I wanted to share some tips on how you can still celebrate Pride, even if you're not out of the closet to anyone yet. Before we begin, I want to preface this by saying that if it's not safe to come out yet, it's okay to stay in the closet a little longer. As we say in our Coming Out Advice series, you have to decide for yourself when is the right time for you to safely come out, so no one, including me, should force you to do so if you're not ready yet. With all of the following tips, keep in mind the more of them you do, especially at the same time, the more obvious it will be that you're part of the LGBTQ. For any of these tips which use your pride flag, it's always better to use the lesser known and more popular pride flags like the gay male, lesbian, bisexual, and non-binary pride flags, rather than the extremely popular and recognizable to your parents, rainbow and trans pride flags. But with all of that said, let's get started with number 1. Host a pride event in your video games. You can make pride flags in Minecraft or Roller Coaster Tycoon. You can wear a pride outfit in Animal Crossing or get together with other LGBTQ friends in a game to celebrate together virtually. Number 2, build a pride event in Legos. You can make a pride parade with toy cars and make a rainbow stage with Lego blocks. Just make sure to tear it all down and put it all away before you leave your play area or go to bed. Number 3, eat rainbow candy like Skittles or M&Ms. The best part is, to your parents, it looks like you just want some candy, and to you, you're celebrating your pride. Number 4, you can place color markers or pencils in the order of your pride flag on your desk or around your bedroom. If anyone asks questions, you're just drawing pictures and you want your art supplies organized. But inside, you'll know what the colors all mean. Number 5, speaking of art supplies, each day of Pride Month, you can paint drawings that just use the colors of your pride flag. Rather than painting a flag, try drawing a piece of art which uses the colors in a new way that no one would recognize as your pride flag. Number 6, you can paint pictures on your computer, then hide them in a secret folder that no one would find. But if you want to be extra safe, you can just sketch something on your computer and never save it to your hard drive. Number 7, draw in a sketchbook and hide the sketchbook in your bedroom. This one is a little riskier, but you can always draw using the colors of lesser known pride flags, and no one would ever know you're celebrating your pride, even if they found your sketchbook someday. Number 8, you can also collect items all month long that match the colors of your pride flag and put them at different spots around your bedroom, so no one would ever put them together and realize you're celebrating Pride Month. Number 9, organize your closet with your clothes in the order of the rainbow or your own pride flag. If anyone asks you questions, you're just organizing your room, which they should want you to do, but you're in the closet so your clothing can match your style in there too. Number 10, speaking of clothing, you can wear different color shirts all month long. Each day, pick another color from your pride flag to wear around, but try not to wear them in the exact order of your pride flag so no one catches on. Number 11, another tip for your outfit is to match your pride flag with your clothes. For example, you can wear blue jeans, purple shirt, and a red hat to match the bisexual pride flag, or wear black pants, purple socks, and a yellow shirt to match the non-binary pride flag, and so on. Number 12, you can turn off your browsing history on many streaming platforms like Netflix, Peacock, YouTube, and others. There's many tutorials online of how to do this. To watch shows that showcase LGBTQ storylines, like The Office, which features a gay character, BoJack Horseman, which features an asexual character, Schitt's Creek, which showcases a pansexual main character, and Pee-wee as himself, which showcases a wonderful look at gay history. Number 13, if your parents aren't home and you have the opportunity to turn off your browsing history, you can watch even less subtle shows like Love Victor, The Amazing Heartstopper, Mid-Century Modern, or Modern Family, and so on. Number 14, if you have friends who are also in the closet or out to others possibly, you can ask them not to share your text messages with other people, but you can text them pride flag emojis all month long. Number 15, you can set your phone or computer password to 3139, which on the periodic table of elements, 31 is gallium, abbreviated as Ga, and 39 is yttrium, abbreviated as Y, so your phone password will literally be gay. Number 16, if you're going to the beach or the pool this summer, get a beach towel that uses the colors of your pride flag. Just be sure to not get a towel that's too obvious that everyone will immediately know. Number 17, paint the walls in your bedroom the colors of your pride flag, with each wall being a different color. Number 18, you can make up your own pride flag that doesn't exist yet and is personalized for only you. If anyone asks questions, you're just drawing, or maybe you can use the excuse that you're coming up with a fake logo for your own business that you're dreaming of starting one day in the future. Number 19, get a notebook with many colors on it that match one of your pride flags. Then you can keep writing in it all year round. Number 20, keep a gay journal on your phone with a password so no one else can read it at any time. Number 21, get yourself a snack with rainbow goldfish. Your parents will think you just want a snack, but it's really a way for you to celebrate your pride with a great tasting snack at the same time. Number 22. Every morning this month you can eat Fruit Loops cereal because they're rainbow colors, and parents don't have to know you're celebrating your pride at breakfast. Just do yourself a favor and don't stop eating Fruit Loops on July 1st as soon as this month is over, otherwise you might raise some eyebrows. Number 23. Ask your parents if you can tie-dye some shirts with friends or by yourself. If it raises any questions, you can just say you want to express your personal style, but be sure to not color the clothing in the exact order of your pride flag. Number 24, get an LED light strip and use the multicolor function to have the lights cycle through the whole rainbow of colors all the time. Then hang that LED light strip behind your television or around the corners of your bedroom, so your whole room is rainbow, but your parents just think you like LED lights, like any other kid your age. Number 25, if you write in a journal or write stories, you can use different color pens or pencils each sentence or paragraph to write in the colors of your pride flag. Just make sure to not color your writing in the exact order of the main rainbow flag, and you should be okay. Number 26, paint your toenails in the colors of your pride flag, then wear socks all month long. You'll be secretly celebrating Pride Month while your family never knows the difference. Number 27, search the internet for a picture of a sunset or another colorful drawing, with some colors that match the colors of your pride flag, and other colors in the same picture that do not match your pride flag colors. Then set that picture as the background on your phone or computer. Number 28, make a gay list of songs to listen to on Spotify or YouTube that reflect your love and gender. If you're looking for some great artists to listen to, you can check out some of my favorites: Mad Psy, Milo, Dixon Dallas, Katie Elder, Night Howls, Claude, Haley Kayoko, Jake Hill, Troye Sivan, Kim Petras, Miss Benny, TX2, or my personal favorite, with 3 LGBTQ albums, Matt Haslam. Number 29, change the LED background color on your keyboard and mouse for your computer to reflect one or all of the colors of your pride flag. Number 30, you can make cookies with different colored M&Ms or cupcakes with different colored frosting. Number 31, make tiny flags in clay or Play-Doh and then put them away at the end of the day so no one sees the flag. Number 32, one thing I used to do a lot was write gay fanfics under a pen name that I chose just for my writing. For years before I came out to anyone, I wrote under a pen name called Alex, named after the first boy I ever had a crush on. The stories would follow a character I based on myself, as he did all of the things I wanted to do if I was out of the closet, like flirt with guys or go on dates. All of my writing is still online to this day, but it was on a fanfic website my family would never know existed, let alone find. And most importantly, it was under my pen name, so even if they did find it, they would never know it was me. Number 33, you can spend the month catching up and learning about LGBTQ history with a great series of history videos from our YouTube channel here, other great history videos from other creators, or films like 1946, Rustin, Milk, Stonewall, or others. Number 34, if you're interested in films and can get access to them while under hidden browsers, you can watch great new LGBTQ films like Rocket Man, The Imitation Game, Boy Erased, Love, Simon, Pray Away, Will and Harper, Bros, Call Me By Your Name, or my personal favorite, Red, White, and Royal Blue. As a bonus tip here, many of those movies I just mentioned, as well as hundreds of other LGBTQ storylines that are perfect for this, are available at your local library. You can either lend them and take them home, just hiding them, or you can read them in your local library at a table that they have available, so that your parents never know what you're reading, and you can just say that you're going to the library, which they'll love all summer long. Number 35, if you're scared of your parents finding out, you can always go into incognito mode on YouTube to enjoy our annual Pride Flag for the Closeted video linked in the description of this episode, and enjoy our 867 episodes of LGBTQ education on this channel so far without anyone knowing. Most of our newer episodes have professional subtitles, so you can read along with a video without it being too loud in your bedroom, and you can turn the volume all the way down. And so you know, all of our team members here at Powered by Rainbows know what it's like to be in the closet, so don't feel pressured to subscribe to our channel, as your parents might someday find your subscription list. Instead, just check back here every Friday when we post new videos, and in the meantime, know that you're perfect just the way you are. No matter what, you'll always have a family who loves you unconditionally here in the LGBTQ. If you'd like to support our show, check out ProfessorPride.com for hundreds of ways to show off your pride. Check them out now along with our LGBTQ books, magnets, pins, umbrellas, digital downloads, and more at ProfessorPride.com. Special thanks to our members and subscribers this month who proudly support our work providing LGBTQ education and resources. Please subscribe to our channel or click on this video to continue enjoying Powered by Rainbows.